Tempest is the next-generation combat aircraft, operating at the cutting edge of technological innovation and securing the UK's position as a global leader in combat air. The next-generation Tempest super fighter jet will cement Britain's place as a leader in air combat, according to BAE Systems. The Chief Technology Officer, CTO, of the British multinational defence, security, and aerospace companies detailed the incredible cutting-edge technology that will see Britain's fighter jet outshine even its closest rivals. The futuristic fighter jet could also bring in a huge economic boost, according to a new economic report. As of September 2020, the only combat-ready fifth-generation fighters are the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor, which entered service with the United States Air Force, U.S. Air Force, in December 2005. The Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II, which entered service with the U.S. Air Force in July 2015, and the Chengdu J-20, which entered service with the People's Liberation Army Air Force, PLAF, in September 2017. The Shenyang FC-31 had flight testing in 2017. The Mitsubishi X2 Shinshin, Halanka, Thai TFX, I-8 Ioka Her 313, Malwa and Pakistan's Project Azam, are in early stages of development. The aircraft Sukhoi Su-57 is slated for delivery to the Russian Air Force in 2020. The BAE Systems Tempest is a proposed fighter aircraft concept that is under development in the United Kingdom for the British Royal Air Force and the Italian Air Force, Army. It is being developed by a consortium known as Team Tempest. Team Tempest is made up of a group of industry partners: BAE Systems, Rolls-Royce, Leonardo, and MDOC. These partners are working with the RAF's Rapid Capabilities Office in the Ministry of Defense to develop the technologies needed for the next generation of combat air, and is intended to enter service from 2035, replacing the Eurofighter Typhoon aircraft in service with the RAF and Army. £2 billion will be spent by the British government on the project by 2025. The lightweight affordable naval combat aircraft, Lanka, concept looks to offer increased capability, protection, survivability, and information when deployed alongside combat aircraft. Tempest will bring a plug-and-play approach, where software and hardware can be easily changed in and out depending on the capability and functions needed for a mission. That could be different kinds of weapons, sensors, or fuel tanks. Tempest will provide several modes of operation, combining manned, unmanned and optionally manned platforms with onboard and offboard data processing and a range of pilot decisions aids when manned flight is being conducted. This is called scalable autonomy. The jet will use advanced composite materials and additive manufacturing to produce lightweight, power-dense configurations capable of operating at higher temperatures. We're also developing world-leading electrical generation technology and intelligent integrated power management to power Tempest's advanced sensors and effects, particularly those which are laser-based. They will need much more electrical power than previous generations of aircraft, RAF says. Tempest is focused on delivering a capable, flexible, and affordable system by the mid-2030s, providing military, economic and industrial benefit to the UK and our international partners. Significant progress is being made. We are working collaboratively and in innovative ways with partners and suppliers, reaching beyond the defense sector to bring the very best in innovation from across the UK. In parallel, we are maturing detailed discussions with international partners, continuing our track record of successful international partnerships.